Hello everyone, welcome to a week in my life video. So this is my birthday vlog. This is everything I ate, everything I got up to, and a little bit more. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Look, they have all of these nice things here. Wow, this is nice. And this actually smells really good. I've never tried those before. This is such a nice treatment room. Wow. I want to see what's out here. They said that the jacuzzi is down that way, so I might go in there. I am so hungry. I cannot wait to eat right now. I need a towel. All of this delicious food, you guys. I can't wait. Oh, this looks so good.
Can you tell me what?
Okay. The next day, we decided to go to the farmer's market with my sister and the kids, and this is what we found. I don't know what I'm gonna buy.
Oh, what if I want to buy things, Zach?
Why wouldn't I pay? Look at this, tomatoes. They got these. Oh my gosh, I wanted this. I need mangoes. Oh, pineapple. They look so ripe. Space in your yard.
Like you guys.
Look, you guys, they have these nice fruit trees right here. Oh, this is
At your house. Can I put a lemon tree, you guys?
we use lemons all the time.
Yeah.
The car boot sell.
Those are like at hotels.
Yeah, these are restaurant quality stuff. Heading out is just way too hot. We gotta go. It's Sunday, so we did go to church on this day. Here it is. Here's my church. The praise and the worship. We had to come in here with the baby, you guys. She just couldn't stay still in the church. So here we are in the baby room. After church, we met my sisters and some other friends for celebrating at a Brazilian steakhouse. You guys, I absolutely love Brazilian steakhouse. I just love the options. I love how you can get so much food for the same price of like a regular plate at Olive Garden. So I prefer Brazilian steakhouse and sushi bars. Those are just the preferences in foods that I like. So everyone has to eat what I like because yeah, it's my birthday. So I have footage of my food and like what I ate, what we did, and then you'll see some footage of the cake and how we celebrate. It was such a good time, you guys. It was such a vibe. It was a complete vibe. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, that's so cute. Birthday too. Hi you guys, welcome back to a week in my life. All right, this is what we're working with. We have tons of laundry to do, so I'm going to get that done now and see what it's given. We gotta get some light in here, the curtains. Kids Barbie car? What is that? Can I see that? Ugh. I just have all the laundry on the bed. Oh my gosh. I'm already over it. It's literally, this is the time right now and I'm over it. It's 9 a.m. Sylvie has decided that she wants to help me by putting all of the clean laundry on the floor. Thank you, Sylvie. She says you're welcome. So she put all the clean laundry on the floor for me so that I can have more work to do. Yay! You guys, look at these cute little dresses for my girls. Both of my girls got to wear these dresses. These are custom made dresses. Look at that. I love this dress. It's like 1920s flipper girl dress. Super cute. And then this one, a really kind lady from my mom's job, who also is a seamstress. She made the bow on this dress, because this dress I kind of bought it without a bow and I thought it would look really cute with a bow, so she customized this bow for me. But I think this dress is from Jenny and me, but it didn't have the bow, so she put it on for me and I thought that was really sweet. And this one, I don't think this one is a custom made, but I think I got this at a little boutique. Look at that, so cute. And then I have to launder this dress, but look at the cuteness. I love these like little vintage looking dresses. So cute. I like the neckline on that one. But look, it needs to be laundered. It's really dirty. But you see how like I like when they have like the little bows and things like that? That's why I wanted this one to have a bow. But look at these cute little dresses. All right, here we are on our daily walk. It's actually such a nice day out, you guys. Like, the weather is really not that bad. I thought it was gonna be kind of cold, but it's not that bad, and it's really nice. So we go on a walk every single day. At least we try. My mom friends and we try to at least walk every day since we're stay-at-home moms and things like that. But yeah, I'm late to the party, but I just made my 2025 vision board. So if you guys want to know how to make this on Canva, let me know and I'll be more than happy to make a video for you. Yeah, so I pretty much make this every year, but I'm late to the party. So if you want to know how to make this on Canva, let me know in the comments. Reginald is gonna set up my walker for me. I'm so excited. My sister got this for me for my birthday. I'm not sure how he's gonna do this, but I'm just grateful it's getting set up today. I've literally been waiting for this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I think you have to put that over there. Meanwhile, the children are just playing. So my plan is to have a mini at-home station here. So I'm going to probably get the other equipment and put it there as well. Yeah, so this is like what it's looking at. Just a little section in my garage, you guys. Turn. But how are you gonna put it? How are you gonna put it?
I have to put this way.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay, that makes sense.
You can run on that.
It's a walking pad.
What is the speed?
So So these are some of the accessories. Okay, this must be the remote. Yeah, this is the remote right here. Oh, and a lube to put on the belt. And that's it. Oh, after all of that work, we need a little snack. Grocery store sushi always comes through. So good. So I'm gonna get back on the walking pad, you guys, after eating. So it's always good to take a walk after you eat. So I'm gonna try to do 30 minutes. And it's so far so good. It's really easy to get on the pad. So you guys, my sisters got this for me for my birthday. I'm so grateful. And if I can find this same walking pad, I'm going to link it in my description box so that you guys can get it too, because this right here is a game changer. I'm sure I can get 10,000 steps, 10k steps in one day. So look in the description. It's dinner time and the kids have eaten, and this is what I eat for my diet food, guys. This is bulgur wheat, but I have a lot of other recipes on my cooking channel, and I'll link it in the description box. You guys can see some of my other recipes, but this is what I eat to lose weight. Someone's trying to get flowers.
Mommy, can we have kiwis?
Got dragon fruit here.
Everything they put on the dog that way. They don't put like.
Oranges.
Get. Go.
Thinking about getting this.
I'm about to go to
A little different, I think. A little. These are not $6. Opted for the green. Bell pepper. Yeah, of course. The green bell pepper. $5.
Okay.
We got these.
And strawberry blueberry.
Got yogurt. We got a big bag of oranges because we eat oranges. All more oranges. Cuties. Clementines.
So of course, it's so yummy, and you can make them with
Snicker bites. We have that on the channel.
yeah.
Beef. We have a pack of chicken. Mrs. Dash.
We have
This
salt.
was recommended, and I heard it's really good because I have to some sea salt, and that's it.
That's
And I am gonna show you guys how much we paid just for this stuff. My girls and I came out to the garden to get some fresh air.
rocks there.
I like to use this. This is are you okay?
Yeah.
Lemongrass.
Super.
No, we use this for tea.
Oops.
When I'm in the garden, I like to use this time for grounding. So let me know if you guys like grounding. Leave me a comment and let me know if you guys do this. Okay, I came back here to check on the hibiscus flower. For those of you who don't know, hibiscus only lasts a night. They don't last. So they always end up falling on the ground. And what I like to do is I like to get the ones from the night before. There's some back there too, but I'm not gonna grab them. I like to get the ones from the night before, dehydrate them, and make hibiscus flower. Like hibiscus flower tea. I can show you what they look like later on. Is it a sandcastle or a cake?
That looks like a cake, but it's a sandcastle cake.
It looks like a chocolate cake with sprinkles.
Yeah, with white sprinkles.
With white sprinkles. And that's it for the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy recipes and family vlogs. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.